Hi, I'm Sam Rivard with Gather. I actually first came in contact with Gather when I was able to use Gather's live stream to view my friend's service after he had passed. Um, I was able to join, our other friends were able to join when we wouldn't have been able to participate in his services if it wasn't for the live stream. He had family that was all across the country able to attend either in person or through the live stream. I saw how it was able to help his family and us as his friends be able to participate. Got to know the company, got to know the team, and just knew that I had to be a part of this team and helping other funeral homes as well as the families that we all serve. So I get to show you our calendar capability today. So here I'm on our dashboard. I'm actually going to come over here to our side panel and go to My Funeral Home. And if you have a team Google Calendar, you can actually connect it here so you can stay organized. All events that are being scheduled, through mobile phones, tablets or laptops out in the field, or if you've got families coming in, all of those can be scheduled here. In order to see some of those, you can click on your profile. You can see past events. You can see future events. I'm actually going to go ahead and click on this event real quick. It takes us directly to the case where these events are. If I scroll down, I can see this is when the arrangement conference happened. I can click in there. I can see details. Looks like we have two duplicates. So let's click on this one real quick. Edit the event. That must have been a mistake. So let's delete that one. Now to schedule an event or service, you can click here. And let's say we're actually going to be scheduling the funeral for Saturday, May 1st. It's going to be at 3 p.m. The duration is 1 hour, and it's going to be at the Capitol Church. We're going to name this funeral service for Audrey. You can see all the details here. All right, funeral service for Audrey, Saturday, May 1st, 2021, 3 to 4, Capitol Church. I'm going to make sure that we include the live stream link in that as well and schedule that event. Now, what you're going to do as a funeral home is you're going to share a link with the family and friends of the departed, and they will get a link to the Remember page. Now, this was really helpful for me. This is the link that I received for my friend's service. So I was able to come here. I actually was able to participate in a GoFundMe for him and his family. Here you can see the different services that are public facing for the family and friends. Funeral at Fallen Stars Home. If I scroll down here, this is the one that I just created. Funeral service for Audrey at Capitol Church. You can see the address of the church. You can see the date and time. They can click right here and get directions if they need to be able to drive to the church. When the live stream comes up, it's going to be right here. And I can tell you that it certainly helped me and the other friends that were able to participate, and even some of his family members who were remote. And then obviously those who were able to attend locally, they're able to use the map function here. Now we built the calendar for you and your teams so that you could make sure that you could seamlessly schedule all event types in just a few clicks. You can stay organized, ensure there are no overlapping events, or if there are overlapping events, you at least know that you're going to have to divide to provide coverage to these events. You can plan that out with your team members. And then we built it to ensure that all cases have their events scheduled, that nothing's slipping through the cracks. And it really has helped a lot of our clients.